IPXers, we're here at Mobile World Congress 2025 and we stumble across this company called UltiChip. They've got this chip here, look. It directly competes with Qualcomm. First of all, tell us about what that does.
Yes.
And then tell us how it competes with Qualcomm and why you're better than Qualcomm at the jobs that chip does.
Yes.
Over to you.
Yeah, okay. Actually, this is the world's first home base station. Home base means in each home you can put one home base station with actually palm size. That is you put. Actually, this is a plug and play. Very easy. And you can enjoy 5,000 megabit shared by 32 handsets. Yeah. This is amazing. And we actually making the total solution, including the board and the chip.
So that means if I had 32 children,
yes,
they could all be playing Game Boy all at the same time,
yes,
shooting each other.
Yes.
And they wouldn't be complaining at me doing my home email
yes,
while I'm trying to make business so my 32 children could all play on their game station.
Yes, even better.
Even better.
Because 5,000 divided by 32 actually is around 160 megabit. Each one can share 160 megabit of handset or game competition.
Right, right.
160 mega, real time. Yes.
And that's all taking place in there using your chip.
Yes, yes.
So today, can Qualcomm do that?
They can, but first, they are much more expensive.
How much cheaper?
5 times.
Second one?
Second one is less power.
Less power. How much less power?
Actually, at least 30% to 40%.
30 to 40%?
Yes.
Third one?
Third one actually is a single chip solution, which is actually smaller, less space.
Right, excellent.
Yes.
So, other than in something like that, so my 32 children can play on their game stations, where else do you see your chip going? You've got other examples around here, haven't you? So tell us where else you'd use the UltiChip in a professional design engineering environment.
Actually, you can put it any place because this one is plug and play. So here, there's a power plug. And then another is optical fiber link to the PON, P-O-N. And then finished. We don't need a software download. No software, no transfer file, nothing.
Okay.
Just plug and play. In 3 minutes, it works.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So if one of our community wants to evaluate your technology today, how do they go about doing that?
Oh, they actually just get our cooperation sheet, okay? And then we can quickly cooperate. We are a service-oriented company.
Right.
So
do you have an evaluation board that you can ship to people? How does that work?
Actually, we have. Actually, we have some agreement, and then we can start. Easy.
Excellent.
Yeah, we are service-oriented. We make our high-tech company as a best service company.
Right. So would you say that anybody that's looking to do these industrial type, consumer type applications, where they'd naturally turn to Qualcomm, they should come to you and have a discussion about the 3 ways in which you are better than Qualcomm with your chip. And what's your chip called, just out of interest?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this actually we have a different number. UC60660, using the 12 nanometer technology. It's most advanced TSMC. Yeah, very reliable.
Excellent.
Okay.
I think that's our video. Thank you very much.
Thank you.